Brilliant. Let's see if we can sort this out. Oftentimes it's easier to do any sealing around any holes before you fix your pipework in, because it can become a little bit awkward, especially in tight spaces. So I'm going to use these bits to tidy everything up. Got an internal bush reducer solvent weld, and it'll fit nicely into the 50mm drain pipe. And because we're going from chrome plated pipe to solvent, that won't solvent weld. I can't find any compression joints over here. So we're going to go for a rubber bung cut to fit. That should do nicely. So you want to get all your items in place. Now it's always a good idea to offer everything up and just check that it all fits before you glue everything. Well, I've glued this already. I'm just going to let it set. This is push fit, so you can take it in and out whenever you want. So we just let the solvent do its magic, and then we'll get back to fitting the trap. As always, whenever you're testing a drain, test it with a full bowl of water. Fill it all the way up to the overflow. That'll do. Now we just let it go and check underneath. Perfect. That was leaking from the outlet before. And then when you put everything back, and then you realise you've got all the work to do. Wow. I mean, we really don't need PTFE tape if we're using a washer, you know? Come on, guys. This is just a typical example. Look how thin this threading tape is, you know?